Hello and welcome to this lecture, Understanding the Transactional Model of Business. The transactional model of business is very important. It visualizes business as an entity from which transactions emerge or originate and converge on or end. So in other words, it views a business as a sink and a source of business transactions. Looking at a business like this will help you in thoroughly understanding the framework consisting of 8 key dimensions. So essentially, many businesses might be providing products and services to your business so that your business can operate properly and create value for its target market via its own products and services, of course. This results in your business purchasing these products and services from other businesses. These transactions are collectively shown by an inbound arrow on the left in the picture, and they are collectively called inbound transactions. These transactions are a result of the products or services that a business pays for. Likewise, the business itself provides products or services to other businesses, or else it provides them to consumers, and this results in outbound transactions. These outbound transactions are collectively shown by the outbound arrow on the right. These transactions are a result of the products or services which a business sells to its target market, and it is paid for those products and services. So the direction of arrow is from the business, which is the provider of the products or services, to the consumers or businesses which purchase them. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.